Hi, fifth graders. So for today, for our calendar grid, we are going to be updating a little bit. And if you notice, we flipped some cards back over to white because we did some talking on Friday when our teachers got together and did some planning. And we realized we kind of skipped over a lot of days because remember we had that really goofy week when the school district decided we were going virtual. You came in for 2 days. We didn't really do much with our calendar grid, and then the next 3 days you were off of school, and then we started virtual last week Monday. So we kind of lost an entire week. So we're about a week behind. So we're just going to go backwards to day 12, and not a huge deal, but we're going to pretend like we are on Monday, day 12 um, of the month. So we talked about our pattern a lot this year already, and we've talked about how for October, every fourth day is a white card, and every other day is a number. And on the number days, we're getting views of our figure, and on the days that don't have numbers, where those white cards are, that's where the figure is actually going to be flipped. Today, I'm challenging you to try to build that figure that's not being revealed. So we look at day 9, day 10, and day 11, and we have a top view. We have a right side view and a front view. And our goal today is to do two things. I want you to try to build your figure using Omnifix cubes. I also want you to try, excuse me, to figure out what the volume is. And remember, volume is total amount of space that figure is taking up. So the total amount of cubes that are in that figure. So I like to look at the front view and work backwards. You're going to have time to do this on your own shortly. I'm not going to give it all away for you, but I want to get you started off. I see a figure that has 4 on its backside. And then it goes to 3. So I'm going to start building that. And if you have your Omnifix cubes at home, start building this with me. Otherwise, try sketching it in your book. And then finally, 2. So that's what our front view would look like. Now we have to go back and we have to look at our top view and our right side view. Now looking at that top view, how many more cubes do we need to add, or how many layers do we need to add, be thinking about? Also, looking at that right side view, thinking about how many layers we need to add this way. I'm only seeing one layer right now, and it looks like our view is a little bit different. Now, I know we've done this before in class, so this shouldn't be brand new. I do have a Google document that's going to be put up shortly after this video that has the top view, the right side view, and the front view. I want you to work on building that next, and please ask if you have any questions. But we'll bring it back together in a few minutes and talk about what our view should look like and address any questions that you might have. Thanks.